Welcome to CAD Station. This is our lecture 4 of Matlab, and in the lecture 3 we have solved an expression in which there is only a single variable, and in this lecture 4 we are going to solve another expression having 4 variables. This is question number 9 of the same book that we are using, and the question is define the variables a, b, c and d as, and there is two c equals to 4.6 and d is equals to 1.7, and two are related to relation as a equals to c into d square and b is equals to c plus a divided by c minus d. So first of all we are going to uh, give them as c equals to 4.6 and the column, enter, and here is your answer, c equals to 4.6. Next is d is equals to 1.7 and the column, and enter. Now next is a is equals to c into d square. For this, c into d square and the column, and it shows the answer b will be equals to 1.7. Now next is b, and b is equals to c plus a. For this first bracket, c plus a bracket close divided by c minus d. So again bracket c minus d and the bracket close, and column, that's our a, b and c, d. That's the variables or the constants. Now we are moving to solve the expression. The first part a is exponent d minus b plus cube root of c plus a minus into c into a whole power d. So let's solve this as first exponent. So simply we have solved exponent exp bracket exponent d minus b bracket close for the exponent, now plus, now this is cube root. We are commonly use cube root from our lecture 2, so it's common nth root for the cube root, nth root bracket c plus a, c plus a comma and 3 for the cube root and bracket close for the nth root. Now minus bracket c into a, c into a bracket close, and the whole power is 4. The expression is done. Let's check exponent d minus b plus nth root for the cube root c plus a, 3 for the cube minus c into a power 4, a power d, not the 4, power d. So expression is right. Now enter, and it shows me answer minus 1.086 exponent 3, and here answer is 1 minus 1.086 exponent 3. So moving to part b, that is d over c. Let's solve it. D over c plus this is c into t, but we don't have any variable like t, so I think this should be d or a. I'm going to solve it as d. So bracket d over b, that's mean d divided by b bracket close, and the whole power is 2 square minus c power d, c power d minus a over b. Let's check the equation or the expression. D over c plus d over b square minus c power d minus a over b. That's the expression. Now hit the enter, and it shows the answer as minus 15.096. This is the both expression that depends on 4 variables. First we define the 4 variables to have the constant values, and two is depend on other two constants. So we give the we define the variables, then we solve these two expressions. So you can find another example, that is question number 8, in which there is only two variables, and that's x and y. So you can solve this question number 8 by yourself. And this is all for this tutorial. I'm going to end this tutorial number 4 here. Hope you will like CAD Station and share to your friends. Thank you.